Hello, today we will guide you through how to record ADP Paychecks in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, you'll see how to capture payroll that was processed in ADP by creating a single journal entry in QuickBooks Online. This method reflects payroll totals from ADP without running payroll inside QuickBooks, so your financial statements stay accurate and in sync. Open QuickBooks Online in your browser. From the main dashboard, move your mouse to the Create menu at the upper left. Depending on your version, this may appear as a plus sign labeled New. This is where you add new transactions. From the options that appear, choose Journal Entry. The journal screen lets you post a balanced accounting entry that mirrors your ADP results. At the top, use the memo or description area to label this entry ADP Payroll, and, if helpful, include the pay period or check date so it's clear in reports. Keeping the memo consistent makes it easy to search and reconcile later. Next, work through the journal lines. In the account column, select the first account you'll use. This should match how your organization tracks payroll in its chart of accounts, and it should align with the categories on your ADP report. In the debits column, enter the amount that corresponds to that account. Then add another line, select the next account you need, and enter the related amount in the appropriate debits or credits column according to your ADP totals. Many teams use accounts such as wages expense, employer payroll taxes, and payroll liabilities. Choose the ones that match your setup and the ADP summary you're referencing. Continue in this way for the lines you're recording today. Work from the ADP payroll summary so the figures you enter, like gross pay, taxes, as benefits, and net pay, match exactly. As you enter amounts, watch the totals at the bottom of the journal. Your debits must equal your credits before you can save. If something doesn't balance, compare each line to the ADP summary and verify you selected the intended accounts and type the correct amounts. You can also add a brief line-level description so future you, or anyone reviewing the file, knows what each number represents. When the entry looks correct, go to the bottom right and choose Save and New. This saves the journal you just created and opens a fresh journal screen, which is handy if you have another paycheck or a different pay period to record. If you're done for now, you can simply close the window after saving. That's it. You've recorded ADP Paychecks in QuickBooks Online using a journal entry. Thanks for following along.